This video demonstrates how to set email signature rules in Sigsync. Rules are a set of conditions and exceptions that emails should meet in order for signatures to be added or removed. Sigsync enables you to create dynamic conditions for adding signature to emails based on the sender's, recipient's, keywords in email subject or body, etc. Let's see how to configure signature rules in Sigsync. Select Manage Signature tab from the dashboard. Click Signature Rules. By default, Sigsync create a rule name default rule with the most common settings. You can modify this rules or create a new rule as per your requirement. Click New option to create and assign a name to the rule. Save the newly created rule. Select the rule and set the rule status on. After creating the rule, you can assign your signature template to the rule from the Assign Signature Template tab. You can assign the same signature template for all the emails or use different templates for the first email and subsequent email. With Sigsync, you can include or exclude signature from an email. That is, you can select a list of senders and recipients to whom you want to add signature. In addition, you can use the unique keywords in your email, subject or body to include or exclude a signature based on the condition. Select the Senders tab. Let's select the selected senders and click the Edit button. Select the required sender's email address in the prompted window and click the Save button. To manage multiple email signatures for any individual or for a department within your company, you may need more than one rule to manage the flow. Sigsync provides the following options to manage your signature rule execution flow. Stop processing the next rule if this rule is applied. Go to next rule if this rule is applied. Similarly, you have the following options if the rule is not applied during execution. Stop processing the next rule if this rule is not applied. Go to next rule if this rule is not applied. Click the Rule Execution Flow tab. Under If this rule is applied section. By default, Stop processing the next rule option is selected. You can change it to go to next rule to process the next rule when the selected rule is applied. Similarly, you can set the desired option under If this rule is not applied. Signature Rule Priority enables you to prioritize which rules should be executed first, second, and so on. You can change the rule executed priority based on your requirement. Set Priority to Rules window. Click the Set Priority icon. Change the rule's priority using the up and down arrows in the Set Priority to Rules window and save the changes. Sigsync Scheduler lets you plan ahead of time and create marketing campaigns that will run and stop automatically at the scheduled time, all according to a specified configuration. The campaigns can be used to run special anniversary programs offers for a limited time and prepare for it weeks in advance. You can also plan ahead for product launch events or new promotions. Click the Scheduler button. Activate or deactivate the scheduler by using the On or Off button. Select the recurrence pattern and select the desired frequency for your campaign or event. Set the start date and time and end date and time. Save the scheduled timings. That's it. You can also delegate signature management to your marketing team by giving them access and having pre-planned and scheduled event signatures for successful event advertisement and planning. Sigsync Signature Editor has a variety of ready-to-use professional templates to meet your requirement. Modify and add changes to the existing templates to make it your own in no time. Try Sigsync for free today.